Welcome to Travel Hacks Insider. But airports, man, they can be the ultimate buzzkill. Long lines, hidden fees, delayed flights. The whole thing can feel like a conspiracy to keep you grounded. We're diving deep into 15 airport secrets they really, and I mean really, hope you never find out. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to travel smarter, because after this video, you'll be walking through those airport terminals like a freaking VIP. Let's be real, nobody enjoys being crammed into those cramped airport terminals like sardines in a can. But guess what? There's an escape hatch. And no, I'm not talking about sprinting out onto the tarmac. I'm talking about secret airport lounges. Many airports have hidden lounges accessible with certain credit cards or memberships. We're talking comfy chairs, free Wi-Fi, complimentary snacks and drinks. It's like a mini vacation before your actual vacation. So, do your research before your next trip. You might be surprised at the hidden oasis that awaits you. Alright, let's talk upgrades, baby. We all dream of getting that sweet bump up to first class. First off, ditch the sweatpants and hoodie. Dress sharp, look presentable, and you'll automatically stand out from the sea of weary travelers. Airlines are more likely to upgrade passengers who look like they belong in first class. Another pro tip, be nice. I'm talking ridiculously polite, over-the-top friendly to everyone you encounter at the airport. You never know who might hold the key to your upgrade destiny. A genuine smile and a polite inquiry can go a long way. Let's be real. Airlines are masters of disguise when it comes to hidden fees. Before you even book your flight, read the fine print. Pay attention to those asterisks and footnotes because that's where the hidden fees like to hide. Another pro tip, pack light. The less you check, the less they can charge you. And hey, it's a great excuse to invest in a quality carry-on bag. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to avoiding those pesky hidden fees. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, saving money on flights. The key is timing, my friends. Generally speaking, Tuesdays and Wednesdays tend to be the cheapest days to fly. Weekends are when airlines jack up those prices because they know people are itching to get away. Another pro tip, be flexible with your travel dates. If you can swing it, flying during the off-season or shoulder season can save you a ton of cash. And hey, if you're really serious about snagging those bargain flights, set up fare alerts. Websites and apps will track prices for you and notify you when there's a drop. We've all been there, standing at the gate, boarding pass in hand, when suddenly the dreaded announcement comes over the loudspeaker. This flight is overbooked. Panic sets in. But fear not, my fellow travelers, because I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs on how to avoid getting bumped from your flight. First off, check in online as early as possible. Airlines often prioritize passengers who checked in first. Another pro tip, be a loyal customer. Airlines are less likely to bump frequent flyers or those with elite status. And if by some stroke of bad luck, you do find yourself facing the dreaded bump, don't panic. Negotiate. Airlines are often willing to offer compensation, like vouchers for future travel or even cash, to sweeten the deal. Alright, let's talk about everyone's least favorite part of air travel, the security line. But hold on, my friends, because I'm about to share some security line hacks that will have you breezing through like a seasoned pro. First off, invest in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. These programs allow you to use expedited security lines, and you don't have to remove your shoes, laptops, or liquids. Another pro tip, pack strategically. Put all of your electronics and liquids in easily accessible compartments in your carry-on bag. This will speed up the screening process and prevent any awkward fumbling in front of the entire airport. Remember, the goal is to get through security as quickly and painlessly as possible. In this day and age, staying connected is non-negotiable. But airport Wi-Fi can be a real crapshoot. Sometimes it's free, sometimes it's not. But fear not, my fellow digital nomads, because I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs on how to find free, reliable Wi-Fi in airports around the world. Websites and apps like LoungeBuddy and Gate Guru provide information on airport amenities, including Wi-Fi availability and passwords. Another pro tip, look for airport lounges that offer free Wi-Fi to their guests. And hey, if all else fails, there's always the good old-fashioned hotspot. Long layovers are the worst, but fear not, weary travelers, because there's a new sheriff in town, sleep pods. These futuristic-looking pods are popping up in airports around the world, and they offer a comfortable and private place to catch some Z's during your layover. Most sleep pods come equipped with a bed, a charging station, and even a privacy curtain so you can block out the world and get some rest. And the best part is, they're surprisingly affordable. So the next time you're facing a long layover, skip the uncomfortable airport chairs and treat yourself to a sleep pod. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite airport game, baggage claim roulette. You stand there, staring at the carousel, watching as bags go round and round, hoping against hope that yours will eventually appear. But fear not, my fellow travelers, because I'm about to share some insider tips that will have you beating the baggage claim chaos like a pro. First off, if you're traveling with checked luggage, make sure you have a distinctive bag tag. Another pro tip: consider using a luggage tracking device. These handy gadgets attach to your bag and allow you to track its location in real time using your smartphone. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to conquering the baggage claim carousel. Airport food has a reputation for being, well, let's just say less than stellar. But what if I told you that some airport restaurants have secret menus with culinary creations that will blow your mind? It's true. Many airport eateries have hidden gems on their menus that are only revealed to those in the know. So how do you unlock these culinary delights? First off, don't be afraid to ask. Strike up a conversation with the bartender or server and see if they'll spill the beans on any off-menu specials. Another pro tip: follow your favorite airport restaurants on social media. Many restaurants announce their secret menu items on platforms like Instagram and Twitter. In this day and age, there's an app for everything. And air travel is no exception. From booking flights to navigating airports to finding the best deals on food and drinks, there's an app out there that can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. One of my favorite airport apps is Gate Guru. This handy app provides real-time flight updates, airport maps, and even information on airport amenities like restaurants, shops, and lounges. Another great app is Lounge Buddy. As the name suggests, Lounge Buddy helps you find and access airport lounges around the world. Trust me, these apps will become your new travel companions. Losing something at the airport is the absolute worst. But before you panic, take a deep breath and follow these tips to recover your lost item like a boss. First things first, retrace your steps. If you can't find it, contact Airport Lost and Found. Most airports have a dedicated Lost and Found department where you can report your missing item. Be sure to provide a detailed description of your item, including any identifying features. Remember, losing something at the airport doesn't have to ruin your trip. Duty-free shopping, the two words that make every traveler's heart skip a beat. But before you go on a spending spree, let's separate fact from fiction and uncover the truth about duty-free shopping. First off, duty-free doesn't always mean cheap. While it's true that you can find some great deals on duty-free items, not everything is a bargain. Do your research before you buy to make sure you're actually getting a good price. Another pro tip: know your limits. Duty-free allowances vary depending on your destination country. Remember, duty-free shopping can be a great way to save money on your favorite products, but only if you shop smart. We've all walked past those swanky airport lounges and dreamed of escaping the chaos of the main terminal. But here's a secret. You don't have to be a first-class flyer to experience airport lounge luxury. Many lounges offer day passes for a fee, which can be a worthwhile investment if you have a long layover or just want to treat yourself. Another option is to sign up for a lounge membership program, like Priority Pass. These programs give you access to a network of lounges around the world for an annual fee. Remember, airport lounges are a great way to relax, recharge, and escape the airport hustle and bustle without breaking the bank. Last-minute travel plans can be stressful, but they can also be an opportunity to snag incredible flight bargains. Airlines often slash prices on flights that are close to departure in order to fill empty seats. One of the best ways to find last-minute deals is to be flexible with your destination. Instead of having your heart set on a specific city, be open to exploring different options. You might be surprised at the amazing deals you can find to destinations you never even considered. Another pro tip: Follow airlines and travel deal websites on social media. Remember, last-minute travel doesn't have to break the bank. Boom! There you have it, Travel Fam. 15 airport secrets they hoped you'd never find out. Now you're armed with the knowledge to conquer those terminals like a true travel ninja. Remember, a little bit of planning and insider know-how can make all the difference in your travel experience. So if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Travel Hacks Insider for more travel tips, tricks, and secrets. Now go out there, explore the world, and remember, the journey starts the moment you step foot in that airport. Safe travels, my friends.